the advocate of bandits. And they talk about one and only Sheikh Gumi waiting for Kaduna State. He don't talk again loud and clear for in Facebook. Now in Facebook wall, he talk this one like live video. And during live video, he talk him. He talk loud and clear, say, see, whether the federal government like it or not, if the federal government no do wetin these bandits want, say those bandits dem no go leave Nigeria for neck o. He don talk am say the only thing wey the federal government need to do for these bandits na to give them money and land, as in not ordinary money, as in enough money and land. Because you can say the federal government at times they give them 1 million, 2 million, say that kind of money cannot reach them. They can't use that kind of money to survive. Say, in fact, if they want those bandits to surrender today, make the federal government just try and issue those bandits a land. Just give them plots, acres of land, and try and see if those people won't surrender their weapons, and see if those people won't stop kidnapping people. Now wetin Sheikh Gumi talk on behalf of the bandits. Now be that. So in other news, wetin in the titles we say the bandits make the federal government give those bandits enough money. I'm talking about enough money. We're talking about the kind of money where our minister of the chairman where they in charge of pension where in swallow. We are talking about the kind of money where someone like that, we want former minister for petroleum under Goodluck Jonathan, the Azania waiting be her name, where she used buy jewelries. So that's the kind of money where Sheikh Gumi they talk and say make the federal government give those bandits and see if they won't surrender their weapons to the government. We don't enter for this country. So now, seriously, this Sheikh Gumi matter don't tire me to talk about. I dey tell you, the matter don't tire me to talk about. And no matter what thing we talk about time, some people still go, they go see they defend this man. I can't dey wonder. This thing is very clear. How this man take know the needs, the wants and needs of all those bandits. As in, this thing is very obvious. I tell you, maybe try to talk the truth. It's very obvious. How he take know what those bandits want? How they take relate? How they take relate? Where did they meet? So if you talk and say, so which we say this man and those bandits then they meet together. That's how he know say the bandits want money. And why can't he disclose the whereabouts of all those bandits? Make those soldiers just crush them once and for all. I don't understand. People they die 247. Yet within this man they always they talk about now say make them give those bandits money, and upon all the I don't say now this man they talk about this thing before say make the federal government try to negotiate with the bandits, say make they give them money. I don't say now this money we give them when we say those bandits can't they expand. Now this man now put the talk and say make the federal government give them enough money and land to do waiting. Enough money to do waiting. I understand though. We normal citizens of this country self, we never get one dime from the government. Now the government now don't talk and say we go feed ourselves again. As I can't wonder maybe now the government self they feed me self before. I don't understand. Now people will say they can't some set of criminals now they go can't get money past me where they work legally, and some criminals wey dey somewhere, some bandits they say they kidnap go get billions of naira. Why me where they hustle 247? I never see 30k. In fact, I never see ordinary 5k where the federal government promise us when you want enter. Till now I never see am. I drop the BVN, I drop everything fear. You no say anything up to now. You no see am. So make federal government come carry. Be like say I think I'm be like say we go try to get one budget wey be say we go try to dey pay those bandits as from next year, because as this matter dey go now, still on see as per wetin this man dey talk, as per this man dey talk here and there, nobody touch am. Dem no touch the man at all, dem no touch am at all. I come dey wonder, this thing is very glaring, and someone from one state like that, him put on one country cloth like that, they arrest am, put am for prison, and someone dey talk about now. Let me talk and say those people they no get where they call am, say they no get flag. Now this thing wey be say those people dey do, is it not obvious say this country matter, make I just leave am like that? Because we don talk and say make dem try to ask questions from this man, but upon wetin we dey talk, nothing happen. Many leaders don talk and say make the federal government declare these bandits terrorists. Up to now, we no say anything, and people dey die. People's husband dey die. Of recent now, those bandits dey go kill people again. Yet someone dey advocate for them, say make federal government give them billions of naira and make the soldiers stop killing them. Yet the federal government no say anything to do to declare them as ordinary terrorists. E hard for us to do. Wetin una think about this thing wey Sheikh Gumi talk, say if we should try and give those bandits money and enough money and enough land, no be urgent to kill, I mean enough money wey be say if someone embezzle am for the rest of im life, e no fit poor again, and that's kind of money wey someone use buy bra and jewelries. So wetin una think about am? Since the federal government don dey talk and say e no fit declare bandits as terrorists, so wetin una think about the advice wey our oga Sheikh bring? Should the federal government also follow the advice, or wetin una dey think? What is your own opinion? This matter don tire me, I dey tell you. I don't know, maybe the killings no dey tire our leader. I no understand. My name na MC Top Secret. I dey everywhere. Don't forget to follow me. Let's talk about this issue. Wetin be your own opinion? See you in my next edition. Thank you.